Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share the health benefits and the preparation of bottle gourd juice. Bottle gourd, also called as dudi, loki, sore or sorekai in different Indian languages. In Sanskrit it is called as alabu. Botanical name is Cucurbita lagenaria. As per Ayurveda, it is very useful in pacifying Vata and Pitta dosha. It is sweet and astringent, that is Madura and Kashaya in taste, nourishes all seven dhatus. It cools excess heat in the body, prevents premature graying and improves hair growth, easy to digest, curbs increased appetite, helps in reducing weight in healthy way. It acts as laxative, increases stool quantity and useful in constipation, bloating and other digestive disorders. It regenerates liver tissue, improves liver function, helps in discharging bile. It is useful in obstructive jaundice and bile stones. Bottle gourd is rich in water, that is more than 90% is water, and also rich with vitamin B, C, K, E and A and minerals like iron, magnesium, folate and potassium. It is high in fiber and low in calorie. Thus aids in weight loss. With low carbohydrate content, it manages sugar level in pre-diabetic and diabetic state. Low in sodium, beneficial for hypertension. It helps to lower LDL cholesterol level in the blood and helps to improve HDL, good cholesterol in the blood. Bottle gourd is an alkaline food which is useful in treating digestive disturbances like acidity, ulcers, indigestion, etc. It is diuretic in nature, useful in burning micturition and other urinary disorders. High water content helps to prevent excess thirst in summer and keeps the body cool. Let us see how to prepare bottle gourd juice or loki juice. Select fresh bottle gourd and remove the outer skin and inner seed portion. Cut them into slices like this and keep it ready. With the help of a grater, we have to grate the pieces. We know bottle gourd contains more than 90% of water. Grate all pieces and keep it ready. Place clean cotton towel over a bowl and transfer the grated bottle gourd into that. Fold the towel from all four sides and squeeze the cloth. This is the best method of extracting bottle gourd juice. Always use fresh juice in empty stomach. No need of adding salt, lemon, ginger, etc. taste makers. Plain juice is the best to get better result. If you are not hypertensive and if you prefer salt, then you can add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. From one small bottle gourd, we have extracted almost 200 to 250 ml of juice. Transfer it to serving glass. Healthy bottle gourd juice is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.